Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Signs and symptoms of cyanide poisoning. Most rapidly acting poison basically is cyanide. Cyanide is most rapidly acting poison and it causes cellular hypoxia. On the CNS, it causes vertigo, faintness, trismus, convulsions, paralysis. It leads to coma and death. In the GIT, gastrointestinal system, it causes bitter taste in the mouth with corrosion of the mouth, throat, and stomach. In the respiratory system, it causes bitter almond smell and breath. Cause of death for cyanide poisoning is respiratory failure. Fatal dose and fatal period. Hydrogen cyanide gas has a fatal dose. The fatal dose is 1 is to 2000 in hydrogen cyanide gas, and its action is immediate or fatal period is immediate. Hydrocyanic acid has a fatal dose of 50 to 60 milligrams, and the fatal period is 2 to 10 minutes. Sodium or potassium cyanide has a fatal dose of 200 to 300 milligrams, and it has a fatal period of 30 minutes. Signs and symptoms of cyanide poisoning.
thank you and thank you for watching.